Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Where are we going to start today? Well, we've got wrapping paper in the bottom right, but I don't know if there's going to be a group of papers or if there's going to be things that go with the wrapping paper, so a message, a card, a bow perhaps. A box. I suppose a gift might contain all 5 of those things, so I'll have to come back to it. A candle could be lit, it could be on fire. Oh, a lit match. Oh, I was going to put strike in there, but again, there's a little bit of overlap because we've got match in the top left as well, and box. They're just all words that are either match itself or connected with match. What about duck? What does that go with? I don't know. And charm? Lucky charm? Lucky break? I mean, you can have a lucky block, I suppose. You can have a lucky anything, though, can't you? Lucky strike? I don't know. Lit and sick are both modern slang. I imagine that's vaguely how the New York Times will describe them. There's probably two other words that go in that group. I think tight. Not completely sure. Oh, fire, I suppose. Yeah, let's try that. There we go. Proved that despite being a massive nerd, I'm cool enough to know those 4. Right, so that takes fire out of one of the other groups. That was the matches group, wasn't it? You could strike a match. You could... I don't know, because it's also taken lit out. So you're not going to have a lit match either. I feel like these 4 sort of go together. They're sort of like words that are sort of connected with fighting, vaguely. But I suppose you could have a boxing match as well. And I'm not completely sure about break. I still don't know what duck has got to do with any of the other things. To duck your head. Lucky duck? I mean, lucky duck, I suppose, might be a phrase. But I still feel like lucky can come before any of these. How about we go back to these? But there's still box, isn't there? I mean, it feels like these 4 are the ones that are most connected with a present. I don't know whether to take a gamble. If this is a correct group, what else would I have? I'd have lucky strike, maybe lucky duck, lucky charm, and lucky break. So would that leave swipe, block, box, and match? I'm not completely sure what those 4 would have in common. What's block apart from the obvious? I suppose you could have a block of wood, or you could block somebody's punch. I don't know. Oh, let's just go for these and see if it is correct. It's not, it's one away. I thought that might be the case. But I still don't know which one to get rid of. Bow card message wrapping. Okay, I'll have to remember that I've done those 4. Let's try and get the lucky ones. Lucky charm, lucky break. Lucky box, lucky block, lucky swipe. I don't feel like any of the others are lucky. Yeah, okay, so that is the group of 4. So what did I try? I tried those 4. So this was 1 away. So it's 3 out of the other 4, plus 1 of these. Swipe and block. I mean, I feel like it's got to be box that goes in this group. So it's It's these three plus one of the others, but not box. I've got 3 chances to guess correctly. Assuming I'm right, but it is these 3. I suppose message. They're all sort of phrases from dating apps, aren't they? You can swipe left or right on somebody, you can block someone if you don't want to talk to them, you match with somebody and then you message them. Clearly, I've not used a dating app for long enough that I did not see that easily, which is, I suppose, good news for me. And these are all the presenty things. Gift-giving accessories. There we go. So just one slight mistake, but I'm not going to beat myself up about that. I think that was the hardest one we've had for a while. Let me know what you think, and let me know how you got on. That's the Connections game, eventually. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.